All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the business templates. So let's click on business and let's kind of go over a quick overview of some of the business templates that you can utilize using Trello. Okay, so you have an order management pipeline by Crumble. Use this board to manage inventory or swag requests with Crumble Power Up. So if you have an inventory system that you need to manage, this is a great template for that. They also have a lean canvas. So lean canvas is a one-page business plan template. So let's say you need to write a business plan. You can utilize this template to do that. Grant check tracking template. Uh, Track grant funding opportunities for your nonprofit organization or social enterprise. So if you need a tracking template, this is the one for you. Then you have align your team with V2 Mom. Get everyone in your organization in sync, whether you're a small business or a global company. Business model canvas, develop new or document existing business models, okay? And then a business plan. Create a strong business plan and collaborate with others throughout the process. So these are some of the business templates that you can utilize with Trello. Now there's a lot more than that, but those are the ones that I'm going to highlight for today. And remember, this is for May 28th, 2021. So when you're looking at this page at a later date than that, it may be different than this. Okay, just to give you a heads up on that. The information does change and things get moved around based on popularity and other factors that I don't know about. So that's business templates. That's just a quick overview of business templates and how you can utilize some of those. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.